New year, new market moves. Welcome to the January 2025 edition of iThoughts PMS Fact Sheet. If 2024 felt like a market roller coaster, well, buckle up because 2025 is already off to a very interesting start. Let's see how our PMS strategies held the ground. First up, let's talk about our flagship multi-cap strategy, Solitaire. Think of Solitaire as that experienced marathon runner who knows when to sprint and when to conserve the energy. In a month where the S&P BSE 500 dipped 3.43%, Solitaire felt the pressure too, closing at minus 5.47%. But let's not judge by 1 month. Over the long term, Solitaire has delivered stellar numbers, up 30.12% over 2 years and 24.22% since inception. That's like saying your portfolio hit the gym consistently while others struggled with their new year resolutions. With a beta of just 0.75, Solitaire continues to be that strong, steady hand that holds its own in volatile markets. Looking for a well-balanced, research-driven multi-cap portfolio? Solitaire's got your back. If you want to add this gem to your portfolio, message us on WhatsApp today. Next up, let's talk about TrueBlue, a high-quality large-cap strategy that's all about smart simplicity. While some portfolios chase trends, TrueBlue believes in sticking to time-tested Nifty 50 leaders. This month, a modest 0.22% gain, outperforming the Nifty 50 TRI. But the real magic is in the consistency, delivering 13.80% CAGR over 3 years while keeping the risk levels low. If you like the idea of low volatility investing with high conviction bets, TrueBlue is calling your name. Are you ready to ride the blue chip wave? A click is all it takes to start your journey with TrueBlue. Now let's talk about Vriddhi. This is our small cap warrior, the one that thrives when others hesitate. January was tough with a minus 10.4% dip, but let's zoom out. Vriddhi is still crushing the long-term game with a massive 35% 2-year return and 27.1% CAGR since inception. What makes Vriddhi special? It's not just another small cap fund. It operates the private equity mindset, finding undervalued gems before the crowd catches on. If you have the patience for long-term wealth creation, Vriddhi might just be your perfect co-pilot. If niche market leaders sound exciting to you, you know where to find us. Message us on WhatsApp right away. Meet Sphere, our dynamic multi-asset PMS that takes a bird's eye view of markets. Sphere doesn't just invest, it adapts. That's why it posted a solid 1.42% gain in January when many other portfolios struggled. With allocations across equities, global assets, and precious metals, Sphere is built for those who love diversification without overcomplication. Want a portfolio that aligns with macro trends and market cycles? Sphere is definitely the way to go. For a dynamic strategy with a macro twist, Sphere is definitely your go-to. Drop us a message today and let's chat. And finally, we have NEO, our exclusive multi-asset strategy for NRIs. January saw 0.67% growth, keeping its winning streak alive. Over 2 years, NEO has returned an impressive 26.93%. If you're an NRI looking for an investment approach that moves with global trends, NEO is tailored just for you. Now, NRIs, if you're looking for a fund that speaks your language, NEO is the perfect fit. Reach out to us on WhatsApp today. So there you have it, January's PMS snapshot. Whether you're looking for a large cap stability, small cap growth, multi-asset flexibility, or NRI focused investing, iThought has a strategy for you. Want to learn more? Scan the QR code, visit our website, or simply drop us a message on WhatsApp. Your best investment year starts today. See you next month and happy investing.